So I work with IBM Maximo and the related product set. So I've been working with Maximo for many years, since about 2000. So it was version 3 when I joined the original company that produced Maximo. It's MRO Software, and it's now Maximo 7.6. So a huge change of generations over a period of about 20 years. And I've worked with most of those versions, apart from the very early ones, which nobody in the world is using anymore because the platforms have been long retired. What brought me to Origina was first of all, my desire to continue working with Maximo, and the business model that you have is a very attractive business model, because it means that we can help customers, and we can do a better job than IBM do with that, and we can do a more personal job, I think, than IBM are able to do with their big, complex structure. One of the things that I think Origina can do very well is help customers see where the business value is, and then look at what it's costing them to achieve that business value with IBM. The benefits of Origina then become abundantly clear.